Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about Mercury transit in Aquarius and Capricorn in retrograde motion. From 25th of Jan 2021, Mercury enter in Aquarius. 30th January 2021, Mercury retrograde in Aquarius. 4th February 2021, Mercury enter in Capricorn in retrograde motion. And till 21st of February 2021, Mercury stay in Capricorn in retrograde motion. From 21st of February 2021 to 11th March 2021, Mercury will direct and enter. Mercury will direct in Capricorn from 21st of 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of March 2021. Then Mercury enter in Aquarius from 11th March 2021. You know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Now I'm going to talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants, Mercury is a ruling planet, a beneficiary planet for your ascendants, going to enter in Aquarius sign in your 5th house. From 25th of January 2021, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will earn a lot of money from stock market. Good gains will make you happy. Smart gains will make you happy. Unexpected money will make you happy. 5th house is a house of Lakshmi Sthan. From 25th of January 2021 to 30th January 2021, Mercury is direct in your 5th house. You will get blessed with a lot of source of earning. You will get blessed with a new business offers or plans. From 30th February 2021 to 4th Feb 2021, Mercury is retrograde in your 5th house. Don't invest your money in stock market. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't start any new business. Don't sign any new deal. Don't do anything new. From 4th February 2021, Mercury enter in your 4th house with Jupiter, Saturn, Venus conjunction and retrograde motion till 21st of Feb 2021. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to be careful about health of your mother. You need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your ego or attitude. You will bless a lot of work because 4 planet aspecting is on your 10th house. Your professional life will rise. You will shine like a sun. But you need to be careful and alert. Mercury is retrograde from 4th February 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. Don't sign any new document. Don't invest your money anywhere. This is not very productive time. You need to take care of your mother health. You need to take care of your relationship with your mother. Give some respect to your mother. Try to be in a soft, soft relationship with your mother. Don't show your ego, aggression, or attitude. Otherwise, your relationship will undershadow. And blessings of your mother will be a biggest game changer for you, Libra, during this time. 4th Feb 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021, Mercury is retrograde in your 4th house in Capricorn sign with Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while enter in a new business horizon. This is not a right time. Don't buy any new vehicle. Don't invest your money in real estate or stock market. Keep saving in your pocket. Keep your savings in your account. That will be helpful for you in future. And from 21st of February 2021 to 11th March 2021, Mercury is direct in Capricorn. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You may invest your money. You may start something new. You may invest your money in real estate. You may buy new vehicle. You may buy luxurious car after 21st of Feb 2021 because in 4th house in Capricorn sign, Mercury is direct. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Health of your mother will be ultimate. You will enjoy very good time with your mother. You need to be careful. I'm telling you, from 4th February 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021, you need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to take care of your mother health. But after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th March 2021, your whole game will be changed. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your friend. Your family atmosphere will be ultimate. You will enjoy all around success. You will get a lot of new business opportunities. From 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th March 2021, you will get new business opportunities. You must invest your money in stock market or real estate. You will get fruitful results. This is a wonderful time. You will blessed with a lot of good things. Libra, you just need to perform your best. Good fortune is in your favor after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th March 2021. You need to be careful. You need to perform your best at your workplace. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation. Just focus on your work, perform your best. You will be top and sky high. You will earn a lot of name, fame, prosperity. Good source of earning are there. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. You will enjoy all around success. Libra, you need to be in a good relationship with your spouse. You need to be a good relationship with your in-laws, because Jupiter's fifth aspect is in your 8th house. You may start learning something new, and Mercury is direct in your 4th house. Aspecting is on your 10th house. Mouth to mouth publicity will make you happy. If you are importer, exporter, if you are businessman, you will get big orders. There is a strong chances because Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury conjunction from 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th March 2021. Mercury is direct, Jupiter, Saturn conjunction, 4th house. You will definitely get big order from foreign land if you are importer, exporter. If you are any type of trader, manufacturer or any type of shopkeeper, you will blessed with a smart profits. You will blessed with a good earning during this time. These 20 days will be a biggest game changer for you. You need to read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night 3 times. You need to read Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya mantra anytime, anywhere. You just need to chant this mantra 108 times, 151 times, 131 times. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy and good atmosphere at your home. Relationship with your mother will be ultimate if you chant this mantra and read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep. Libra, retrograde Mercury is in your 4th house from 4th February 2021 to 21st of Feb 2021. You need to be careful and alert about your mother health. If you wanna start anything new after 21st of Feb 2021 to 11th of March 2021 will be ultimate time for you. You may invest your money, you may start anything new in partnership, you may start stock market business or investing your money in real estate. You will get a lot of good results. I'm looking forward for great success. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.